Alrighty guys, well today's going to be our Father's Day fishing special. No, it is not actually Father's Day, but I was driving all day from Michigan down to Tennessee on Father's Day. Took like 16-17 hours to get from point A to point B, so I told the wife we're going to use a different day to count as Father's Day, and that day is today. So what better to do than to go fishing? I got a new-ish combo. The rod is new, the reel is not. But I got a 7-foot 2-inch. It's actually the first rod over 7 foot I've ever had. Glass, medium, heavy, moderate rod for throwing this chatterbait around. So I'm throwing the 3/8 ounce jackhammer. We've got a green pumpkin, an orange 4-inch zako trailer. I'm excited to try this out. It looks juicy. I usually throw a chatterbait on a 17-pound test, but I had a catastrophic bird's nest and had to completely re-spool it after having to cut out almost all of my old spool. And all I could find was 15-pound, and this 15-pound feels so light. Feels so thin. So, something tells me it'll work though. See if we can't get bit. I would love nothing more than to hook into a big one on this rod. I've caught some pike on it and some small bass, but I would love to get into a big largemouth and just see how it feels. Let's try. Now something just blew up out there. I don't know if the camera caught that. I've been seeing some stuff hitting while I've been out here, so maybe we can get one to hit our chatterbait. Oh, here we go. That's a pretty good one, I think. Oh, I didn't have him good. That was a pretty good one, I think. Crap. Crap, crap, crap. He was like running right at me. Man. Oh yeah, that might be a giant. That's a giant. Oh, a really good one, I think. Oh, that's a good one. Not a giant, but really good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, dude, that's a good one. That's a nice one. So we're getting them good on this. That's a good one. Let's just throw him on the scale. Let's just throw him on the scale while we got him. I thought he was bigger than he was. That's what happens when you haven't hooked into a decent one in a while. The good ones feel like great ones. Alright, we were zeroed out. What'd I say, 3.5? 310. Sweet. Oh we lost another good one already, so. Anyways, first good bass we've landed on the new SLX. Thanks, buddy. And he's off. That was a good one. So I'm like not even 10 minutes into fishing, and that's the third bite we've had. The first one just, I don't know what happened. The second one, that was my fault, not reeling fast enough. But I wasn't gonna take a chance on that one. Thumbs up for the Father's Day, almost 4-pounder. Now let's see if we can get a Father's Day 1/5. Father's Day 5s. That's the vibe we're going for. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, this one's pulling drag. That last one wasn't. Oh, another toad. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Oh, dude. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, dude. Oh. Oh, dude. Father's Day giants. Let's get the scale zeroed out. Alright, we're zeroed out. $4.05, $4.10, $4.12, $4.12. Sweet. Still not the 5-pounder we're looking for. Still not the 5-pounder. Here, let's redo that. Just because he was getting squirrely. We lost a really good one. First will be 4.13, 4.12. Alright, we'll climb 4.12. Alright, y'all. Another good one. This dude absolutely crushed it. Thank you for biting. Mega. Alright, cool, let's get her back. This is turning out to be a very good evening. So we had, was it a 3.10 to start and then a 4.12. So if we just keep going up by 1 pound and 2 ounces every time, we'll be all right. Okay. And we're throwing the, like I said, bluegill colored. This is a 3/8 jackhammer. With that orange and green pumpkin Zako trailer. Oh my, something may have tapped us there, I'm not sure. Whew. Man, that was a good one. Good one, good one, good one. Oh, that was awesome. I was pouting a little bit over the first 2 we lost, but the last 2 that we caught have made it so worth it. That chatterbait fall. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten hit on that initial fall. So one of the things I'm doing as I fish this So I'll be reeling it and then just kind of kill it and maybe give it some pops. And my idea behind reeling it and doing that is if there's something's following it and then you kill it and it basically bumps them right in the nose. Oh, we got hit right there. It's the same spot we just caught that big one. The thinking is they'll run right into it and think, okay, go ahead and taste this thing. I'm gonna bring it right back here where we just got hit. Right back here. We're gonna kill it right around the same time, give it some pops. Come on, come on. What did just hit us? Oh, that was a big bite. We're getting big bites today. It's overcasty. It's humid as all get out. I think it's got these big ones in a feeding mood. Like I said, I usually throw 17-pound fluoro fishing a chatterbait. I shouldn't, but I feel undergunned with this 15-pound. It just feels so thin to me. All right, that one may not rebite. Oh, he bit off our tail. Look at that. He grabbed us just by the tail. Let's throw in a new trailer. I'm telling you, for these chatterbaits, these Zako trailers are definitely my favorite. Definitely my favorite. Alright. So we'll put our trash there because we're good people and good stewards to the earth. Getting low on these, I'll have to get a new pack soon. So this is the first time I've thrown the bluegill color here in this pond. I do really good with the black and blue chatterbait and the electric shad trailer. So there we go. All rigged back up. I knew that last one was a good one. When they start pulling drag on your bait caster, and I usually keep the drag kind of cranked down. Man, I'm so sweaty, it's so humid. That's when you know you got a good one. Oh no, oh there it is. First I thought my log had washed away. I almost always catch one by the log out here. Wasn't my best cast. Well, I've got one, I think. Yep. About to say, the old chatterbait ain't chattering. There's a little bit of a grass patch there. And so at first I thought, oh, he got it good. First I thought maybe I was just going through some of that grass. That's how you like to see him have it right there though. Alright, get the pliers out for this old boy. Alrighty. So I'm much more of a finesse fisherman, love Ned rigs, wacky worms, and all that. But there's just something about this chatterbait I really like. I popped it right by that log. Oh, thought something hit me. Maybe not. Oh. I think something small's after me. Hopefully it won't get our trailer. I think we only had like 2 more. Don't eat my trailer. Don't eat my trailer, sir. And here's people leaving their trash. I've seen other people down here fishing this. I'm not a pop drinker. But I will grab that trash. Always, always, always try to leave things better than you found it. And I don't want one knucklehead to lose the spot for everybody. So knucklehead, I'll clean up behind you. Oh, I was in one. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, my hand's so slick. Oh, it's hard to hold on. Another good one. Are you the one that hit me early in the cast, or are you a different one? Ouch! Man, that chatterbait just fell out. Glad I could. Another good one. Good one after good one after good one. Alright, so the question is he the one who hit us early in that cast and came back for it? Or should we throw back in there? I'm thinking we should throw back in there. I'm thinking. Oh, got hit, I think. Oh, something got my trailer. Alright guys, well that was awesome. Caught one of the biggest bags I've had out here in a while. Lost a couple more. Awesome day. I love fishing the chatterbait. I feel like the bites you get are typically good ones, and that proved it. So do me a solid. Happy Father's Day. Hit that like and leave me a comment before you go. I am hooked on this new bluegill colored chatterbait. But thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like this. I'll be bringing more. I love to fish. I'll bring you along with me. See you on the next one.